A lot of people ask me, why did I decide to start a cleaning company? Now, I've got a degree in mathematics. I've almost finished a degree in chemical engineering. So why would I, someone who spent so much time at university, get into commercial cleaning? A lot of people are interested by this. Well, the reason I love cleaning is the skill set involved in the technical role is very simple. I can teach anyone how to be a good cleaner. It's a very simple system. You start at the top and you go down because you want all the dust to come. So you dust from the top and then you end up vacuuming and mopping everything at the bottom. You go from left to right so that you're more efficient. You use the same chemicals on every job so that you've got a consistent service. There's a few other things, but you can see it's not that technical. It's not brain surgery. So when I hire people, I don't look for amazing cleaners. That's just a bonus. I look for people who laugh. I look for people who smile. I look for people who like to have fun. I look for people who share my core values of be real, have fun, make money, and help out. And I really want to be an amazing business person. So cleaning enables me to focus on that because the technical role isn't chemical engineering. It's not app development or some mathematical genius whiz-bang operation which would consume my focus. No, it's cleaning. How do I, and the thing about it is, all I have to focus on is how do I make the best business in Brisbane? Because at the end of the day, by the end of a month, anyone I decide who has the right core values that are in line with mine, in a month's time, they'll be just as good as a cleaner as any other cleaner that I have. So if I wanted to start an engineering firm, I'd have to have people with a 4-year degree and then probably 5 years experience in that field. So the reason I love cleaning is the technical role takes care of itself. I have a really good operations manual. I show that operations manual to my new cleaners. We talk through it. I train them. And then within a month, they're experts. They're having a good time. They're delivering for the customer and the client. And it's all happy days. This, for me, is so exciting because that means I can focus on how to be the best leader. I can read books about leadership. I can read books about marketing. I can read books about sales. I can read books about tax and finance and company structure and corporate responsibility because I know that the cleaning is taken care of. I don't have to run down to some work site and go, oh no, the concrete was poured incorrectly, or holy shit, the resources didn't show up on time. No, there's none of that. The worst thing that could happen to me is some toilet paper shows up on site at the wrong time, or it's too late. I can make up for that. I can drive down to my supplier and pick up some new toilet paper and drop it off to one of my clients. So as you can see, there's not a lot of risk. There's not a big learning curve, and I can hire based on attitude and personality rather than hiring on skill set. I don't want to work with a bunch of dickheads. I want to work with people who are having fun and just want to like smile and jump around and dance. So that's why I've chosen cleaning. So to summarize, there's not a big learning curve. I don't have to be a brain surgeon. I can teach people how to be good cleaners within a month. And I can focus on being the best version of myself and in turn building the best small business in Brisbane, which is Iron Drake. Cheers.